Hey YouTube, this is Loud Noise. Today we're going to be popping this big bag. This is like really big, so yeah. Can't even fit on the screen. That's how big it is. So, I want to be popping it. Okay? Ah, didn't do it. And that was Loud Noise today. Bye. See you later on the next show.